We've just looked at counting atoms and formulas. Now let's look at determining their molar masses or formula masses. And so what we'll have to use is the periodic table and use the masses from that time for each atom times the number of atoms that are in the compound of that particular atom, and that will give us our molar mass. So barium, atomic number 56, is 137.33. Nitrogen is 14.01. And oxygen is 16.00. So we're going to take and multiply each of those times the number of atoms that we have. So we've only got one barium. We've got two nitrogens. And we've got six oxygens. And so if we add all those up for barium nitrate, we'll come up with 261.35 for the molar mass. So that's grams per mole of barium nitrate. So you take the number of each type of atom times the atomic mass, and that will give you, and sum those all up, and that will give you the molar mass. For acetic acid, we've got two carbons times 12.01, hydrogen 4 times 1.01, and oxygen 2 times 16. We add those all up, we will get 60.02. Messed up, didn't I? Dadgummit.